Hello everyone. Let us assume a different kind of advertisement that is played in the television and also in the internet, like Hammam, Horlicks, Boost, and there are many advertisements out there which actually impressed the lot of users. Even you may not be the user of the product, but after watching the advertisement, you will have a mindset and curiosity to just go and try the product for you. So this is the secret concept of the advertisement. So this is generally called as one-liner storytelling, because all the ads will have the similar concept of one-liner storytelling. The one-liner storytelling is all about just have a problem plus solution because of the product, and third is the impact of happiness by using the product. So this is a secret formula that is used in all the advertisements that is showcased in the televisions and the market. Sometimes the same formula will be used in the movie too. Uh, for example, let us consider the advertisement Boost. Okay, in the advertisement, you could see there is a player who hardly tried to hit boundaries, but because of his less energy, he could not hit. So in the advertisement, then the boost will be introduced with the secret ingredient with a lot of vitamins and energies. The player used to drink that, and after that he will get an energy in the body, and he hits 4 and 6 and made the match victory as the solution of impact. Automatically, our brain triggers, and we will think that, oh, I'm tired. If I drink the boost, automatically I'll get an energy and I'll perform more in the thing. So this made the user just go and get the boost from the market. So this is very simple concept. You could take a lot of other example like Horlicks, other ads like Five Star. Like there are so many corporates are working in this storytelling concept. Okay, so this is the secret formula that's called as one-liner storytelling in the selling of product. Okay. The reason why I'm talking about the product is like, so we have decided how to make this selling formula as a success formula into the academic selling. So we have made the concept of storytelling into our academic practices, which starts from teaching learning and at the time of placement and interviews. Let's assume when a final year student go and meet the HR, and he just telling his introduction in a very similar way like how other 1,000 students will do, like giving them the name, age, and the academic profile, academic scores, and something blah 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 blah. It's a normal one. You will be very similar to the all other final year students. But assume if you use the storytelling concept, and if you introduce you to the HR, then you will be standing unique into the HR. So we have implemented not only in terms of academic, it is also we are insisting recommending student to implement the storytelling concept into the hackathon pitching, startup pitching, or introducing a student to anyone else. Sometimes on the learning system, and so many factors are there in the educational institutions to use the storytelling. So when we have the storytelling, the audience will be attracted to our students. So we made a lot of exercises as mandatory to the student, from the video resume, from the project presentation, startup presentation, hackathon activities. So these are the skills which is most demanded by the industries right now, because you could see there are two major skills which is required by the industries while hiring the student. One is like innovative mindset, and the second one is storytelling, because it cannot come just by giving a simple raw information to them. It could come through a practice. Okay, so let's take an example. When a final year student go to the HR and he's introducing yourself as an example, I am Jagdish, I have graduated from this institution, I have 7 point GPA score, I have this skill, I have that. No, that is not the required one. The storytelling will gives you what was your dream and how you started, and upskilling you for the dream with the certification, with the skills, with the competitions, with the trainings, and how you could fit for the organization, how you could sell yourself to the HR when at the final moment. This will gives you the better job and the surety of the work that you carried out in your past studies. So it's all about convincing people. It is all about attracting people when we have the right communication. So in a basic English professors used to say this is the effective communication, but the modern world says this is a storytelling concept. To make you more understanding on the storytelling, you would have crossed so many stories in your life, but you could remember only your school stories because your teacher taught you the story in the realistic way. It is not just simple from your book. It is adding an emotion to the story, and that's how it was presented. To be on other words, we could say storytelling is all about the stories that is well told. It's called the storytelling. So just try using storytelling in all your communication. Your audience will appreciate you. Thank you.